हेलो दोस्तों, क्यों भारत में सिलेंडरों के दाम बढ़ रहे हैं? क्या है इसका कारण, क्या है इसका समाधान और कब तक ये स्थिति चलने वाली है? आइए आज हम इस शॉर्ट में इस चीज़ों के बारे में जानेंगे। भारत अपने नेचुरल गैस की जरूरतों के लिए दूसरे देशों पर निर्भर है। भारत में निरंतर हम न्यूज़ पे सुन रहे हैं कि गैस सिलेंडरों के दाम बढ़ रहे हैं। लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड हाउ दिस वर्क्स एंड इट मीन्स India's gas woes, why cylinder prices are soaring. Now let's understand this. Most of the demand of our natural gas come from other countries. The big picture, what's happening between Israel and Iran, why they disagree, what they do, why it matters. These two countries believe on their own. They disagree with each other. Iran and Israel are not friends. Actually, they are foes. They often attack on each other. Israel did not wanted Iran to succeed in its nuclear program. They often fight because Israel says that Iran attacks on Israel using its proxies. This is a big claim. This matters because the impact of this fighting comes on us. We are the one who pays for it. The main reason is that the Strait of Hormuz, it is a crucial waterways. It plays an important role in this thing. Now what's happening is that ships are gathering around this. This increases the risk of destroying the ship because the missiles which are getting fired by these countries may fall on the ship. This can make the situation more worse. Now, Iran is blocking the GPS system of ships by the term snooping. In this system, Iran, particularly Iran, damages the GPS. Due to this, ships are revolving around the Strait of Hormuz. They are not moving to their destiny. India imports 40% of its crude oil requirement through this route, and more than 60% of its natural gas demands through this route. The prices are rising. Companies charge more to take the risk of using this danger route. You will be wondered that even the ships of many countries such as Indonesia, Malaysia, etc. are not able to pass through this route. How this conflict impacts your kitchen, the impact on natural gas prices in India. Due to this